Basics are this. This should be on top,
Okay.
right?
All right.
Otherwise, you'll find both spindles in your hand and it will be messy.
Okay.
Okay? You open it up and put it so that it's on your right,
All right.
or whichever hand you're actually
Working.
going to
Okay.
work.
If
working
somebody
with
is a
this.
lefty, so he
Yeah,
can.
yeah, right?
Okay.
Now, typically you will find this all set up. So, but otherwise, if sometimes this band is out, red band is out, you just pull it out. You can see it's not very complicated. There's a small pulley here that it sits on. This band, red band, is sitting. Okay, and you'll find it usually set up. Now, this is the speed. This is the bigger wheel, which gives you a lot of speeds, and you'll see that this thing turns 10 times for every revolution of this.
Okay.
Right?
All right.
Now, next what you got to do is to set up this spindle. This spindle is where all the magic happens. Okay? The spindle is where the thread is happening. You'll typically find it kept in this box. There's one more over there. Okay? Now, you'll find this thick thread inside it. It's called a mala.
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 Okay.
Now, इसको पहले आप यहाँ डालोगे. ये small wheel पे डालोगे one end.
Okay.
The other end, you will put on this pulley here. Okay?
All right.
Put on this pulley like this. Now what will happen is that this thing has to be picked up and put into these two slots. You see there are two slots here
All
behind?
right. Okay.
This is actually sitting on the slots. Right?
Okay.
Now these two thick threads are oiled threads are put here to
Alright.
allow it to spin smoothly on the slot. So leave them exact. They need to be below the spindle as they are here. The spindle is sitting on those threads which are in the slot.
Okay. All right.
Okay, you with me so far?
No, 1 second.
Yeah, take your time.
She's done it. I'm just watching it.
Okay, na?
I'll do it again.
Yeah, done. Sometimes what happens is if this is not moving freely, like when this fills up, you'll notice that they won't find room to move freely, right? So you need to adjust. Or sometimes this is too long or too short. So what you can do is you can open up this little knob of yours, and you can move it around so that it becomes stable. It will become stable and it will move smoothly without touching anything. Right? And that's it. You're basically set.
And now what?
Now magic.
Now magic.
I mean, for me, it's magic only. Every time I see it, it blows my mind. Okay, now watch this. Okay, you'll think that how is this cotton going to merge with this thread, right?
Yeah.
All you actually do is to leave it like that, and the spinning wheel here, the spinning of the thread, right,
Automatically takes it.
will suck the cotton. Right? There we go. So the beak here. Pull it out to the end. Now, this thing is just sucking its own cotton.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
Now, your trick is if you twist it too much
Uh-huh.
without moving your left hand back, what will happen is that it will get entangled and won't move at all. So your art is in balancing how much spin you give and how far you move your hands back. Right?
Wait, is this getting there or is that coming here?
That is coming here.
Look at this.
Yeah.
This is where you see the twist. Twist is sucking the cotton. Now, if it gets too twisted like it has right now, it will resist a bit. It won't come as easily. Right? So this is why I'm not as good as. I can just untangle it a bit. And
Just stop for a while.
so now,
How much is the pressure here you are applying?
no pressure.
No
I
pressure.
don't have to apply any pressure. Now when I get this far, here's what I need to do, right? So that the twisting gives strength to the thread. So I hold this, I give it one round like this, just to give this thread some strength. Okay? Then I move the wheel backward so that this thread here, I can take this back around here. Then I move it forward again so that it gets wound at the base of the spring.
And then start the process again.
And start again. real
So much of patience.
what politics
It
is all about.
gives you concentration also.
The greatest lessons in politics. And there you go. If you talk too much about it,
Yeah.
teaches you to be humble. Okay.
The